Her husband ran toward the ocean. She never saw him again. His name was Kenji. He was 41. He tried to close the gate. 400 kilometers, 12 years, $12 billion. Almost nobody knows it exists. If one section fails the wrong way, the next tsunami becomes even deadlier. 12 years of continuous construction. Every panel has one position. No margin for error. This is how Japan solved an impossible paradox. This is that story. March 11th, 2011, 2:46 p.m. An utterly ordinary day. Magnitude 9.1. 6 minutes of shaking. The fourth largest earthquake ever recorded. The Pacific Plate lurched 30 meters. 378 trillion tons displaced in seconds. 700 kilometers per hour. Invisible. Silent. Heading for 2.4 million people.
One village had 0 deaths. Fudai. A wall everyone called a waste of money.
It rose to 40 meters, the height of a 13-story building. No ceiling. 90% of all seawalls failed in a single hour.
This simulation replaced the 2011 event. Based on this data, the 400-kilometer network
15,897 dead. 2,500 still missing. But one village had 0 deaths. Fudai. A wall everyone called a waste of money. Mayor Kotoku Wamora. He watched the 1933 tsunami kill 439 people as a child.
Crane commencing lift sequence. Over.
After 2011, Japan faced a painful choice: build higher or build smarter. The smarter choice meant starting from scratch. Every assumption questioned. Every design reimagined. 440 teams. 12 prefectures. And the coast itself was sinking beneath them. The coastline was sinking 1.2 meters. They had to build higher than their final design. Every old seawall was demolished. You cannot build a future on failure. Phase 1. 14 months of surveying. Every centimeter mapped to absolute precision. Then demolition. Everything returned to raw coastline. Start from 0. Foundation trenches. 8 meters deep, below sea level. The ocean wanted them back. 4-hour tidal windows. Twice a day. Miss the window. Lose the entire day. 3 foundation types. Piled, rubble mound, hybrid. Geology decided everything. 5-ton boulders. Placed blind. Underwater. Against a 4-hour tidal clock. 30-centimeter placement tolerance. Blind. Underwater. Every single boulder. Every single section. Left 20. Forward 5. Release. The sonar operator's voice guided every placement.
3 years, 0 failure.
Every design was tested at scale first. 200 simulations in the world's largest wave tank. The wave hits. The energy dissipates. The wall holds. Science before construction. Always. 200 different rock gradations. 1:5 slope ratio. Redirect energy. Don't resist it. Geotextile membrane. Water passes through. Aggregate stays locked. The foundation breathes. Without this membrane, backwash pulls every grain out. The foundation weakens with every storm. 8 separate drainage channels per section. 3 complete redesigns. 2 years of delays. 3 years. 400 kilometers. Every foundation section passed. Now build the wall.
Push it forward now, hard.
Steel sheet piles.
Watch the wind.
12 meters tall. Driven into bedrock. The skeleton you will never see. 400 kilometers of continuous steel. 8 meters below the surface. Invisible. Essential. 50,000 welded joints. Ultrasonically tested. Every single one.
Roger that.
0 acceptable failures. Every joint between piles was tested. One flaw meant re-welding the entire connection.
Tsunami Great Wall
4
is an
layers.
expression of pure engineering.
Concrete facing,
These perfectly
aggregate
stacked
backfill,
drainage channels are carved
steel
directly
skeleton,
into the compacted
rubble mound.
aggregate.
Level
one
check.
integrated
Perfect.
system.
I'll secure this coupling now.
30 dump trucks per hour. Per section. The logistics had their own separate management layer. Every structural layer separated by a different membrane, different permeability,
Okay, the boom is
different
almost in
specification,
position.
never interchangeable.
We need more wire twisters over here.
Order the
Copy that.
wrong
Setting
membrane
that.
for a single section, and the entire layer had to be removed. Every lift compacted. Vibration, weight, tested. The ground must never move.
次のパネルの準備をお願いしますね。
98% Proctor density.
従業員の皆様に
Every single lift.
54
Every section.
パネルのコンクリート
400
打開
kilometers.
します。安全確認を徹底してください。
Stop and look. Every machine represents a team, a timeline, a tolerance. All moving together.
Keep it coming.
A continuous
Watch the
landform now
level on the
existed.
far side.
A wall tips.
Make sure it
A
fills
landform
completely.
erodes. The difference is
No
everything.
voids. No air pockets.
8 drainage channels
Every
carved into the ground.
centimeter vibrated to
Water must
solid
move through.
density.
Never around.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The drainage system was the most frequently redesigned element. 3 redesigns. 2 years of delays. This is 400 kilometers. Different teams. Different soil. Different equipment. One unbreakable standard. Now the concrete facing panels. This is where complexity reaches an entirely different level. Every panel begins like this. Steel, hands, wire, the invisible skeleton. 37 unique shapes,
At 2 millimeters.
every panel cast in a CNC mold. Mass production. 0 repetition. 37 unique panel shapes, every one designed from 0. 200 simulations each. 312 casting operations nationwide. Every panel non-interchangeable. 1 position only. 50 megapascals compressive strength. 5 times stronger than your house. 28 days of curing. No voids. No air pockets. Every cubic centimeter vibrated to solid density. Every single batch slum tested. The window, 10 millimeters. Not 10%, 10 millimeters. A ringing test. Every panel struck with a calibrated hammer. Hollow sound meant immediate rejection.
はい、これでロックしますね。
This is rejection on a $12 billion project. Red X. Hydraulic breaker. Start again. 440 construction zones running through dense coastal communities. Chaos carefully managed. 2 millimeter placement tolerance. Not 2 centimeters. Across 400 kilometers of curved coastline. 2 millimeters. Checked with a feeler gauge. Every joint. Every panel. No exceptions.
The final concrete panel is in place.
Offshore oil platform grade polyurethane sealant. Applied by hand. Inspected by thermal imaging.
左に引っ張ってください。はい、そこで止めてください。よし
Every joint independently logged. GPS coordinate. Separate QC record.
よっしゃ
Reconciliation was mandatory.
気をつけろで下がるぞ。
812 panels replaced. Not because they failed. The standard was simply that high. That groove is not decorative. It is a calibrated wave deflector, every millimeter engineered. Look at this. 400 kilometers. One wall. One standard. Every millimeter counted. 340 kilometers complete by 2020. 60 remained.
This is the front line
The hardest
defense.
60.
The interlocking tetrapods dissipate the force.
Laser-guided
creating a
positioning.
massive concrete
GPS
wall
locked.
Alright, bring it down slow.
The wall knew its own coordinates.
Copy that. Watching the guides. Look set.
Every tetrapod scanned annually. Underwater.
もっとゆっくりする
Autonomous.
左に寄せてください
The wall inspects itself. 2 millimeters. By feel.
現在位置は
Underwater.
X25
Against a tidal current.
降下開始
Every panel.
了解です
Every day.
そのまま続行してくださいね。
この17度は気温風位を超えていますね。
はいはい、修正が必要ですね。
The pressure sensors on the tetrapods are peaking.
Yes, and the overflow on the land side is within the predicted parameters. This 7-degree angle is crucial. The CFD simulations also show that this curve effectively cancels out the wave energy.
Keep the pressure steady on the left side. All right, moving it down now. Watch the edge.
These are the massive floodgates, 15 meters tall, part of the 400-kilometer Tsunami Great Wall. They stand open now.
This small seismic detection unit is the brain that triggers 443 floodgates across the 400-kilometer Tsunami Great Wall.
三陸沿岸岸全ゲートの閉線を確認です。現在ね、波等は上昇中ですが問題ありませんね。引き続き監視を続けますが。
A dramatic reality check. As 14-meter waves slam into the structure, the Great Wall holds firm.
Section 4 drilling complete. Roger that. Move to Section 5.
This is the hidden nervous system, listening to the ocean floor 24 hours a day.
Keep going, everyone. Almost there. Stay in line. Watch your step.
この雨もね、ずいぶん使ったなだな。
だな。まだいけるね。
Warning.
It's going higher!
Wow, look at the carp.
Against the massive gray concrete of the seawall, the delicate pink of the cherry blossoms.
こちらは異常ありませんね。構造も安定していますね。
はい、ROV のデータもそれを定けていますね。
It is finished. A legacy of the tragedy, and our solemn promise to the future. We are prepared.
Subscribe to Industrial Evolution for more videos exploring how the modern world is built.